Why use store-bought pizza sauce when it is so easy to make at home? This is going to taste fresh, delicious, and you will love it. In a blender jar, add 3 medium, nice and ripe tomatoes, half an onion. Next, add in half a bell pepper. You can use green or red. It adds a nice taste. 3 large garlic cloves, and that's it. You're going to blend that together. If you like your pizza sauce chunky, blend it less. If not, blend it more. Next, we're going to take a large pot and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to add in all the contents of the blender jar, and we are going to turn up the heat and keep stirring this until most of the water has evaporated. As the water evaporates, you're going to see that the tomato paste is going to turn more and more red, and as soon as you find this kind of pasty consistency, we are ready to add in salt to taste. Here I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Yeah, this is Desi style pizza sauce, guys. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe for exciting recipes every week. Next, we are adding 1 teaspoon of dried basil and also about a teaspoon of dried oregano. This is whole oregano, so I'm crushing it and adding it in. And next, we're going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Some sugar to taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Pizza sauce is always a little sweet, isn't it? 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and that's it. We are going to stir everything together, and you will see how this comes together into a beautiful tasting pizza sauce. And one final ingredient for some zing is just a little squeeze of tomato ketchup. So guys, is this the traditional way of making pizza sauce? No, but does it taste good? Yes. And you would probably agree that it is a very easy recipe, totally worth trying. I'm going to be waiting for your comments, guys. Let me know how you like it. Bye-bye.